Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. Alright, today's Monday, which means I am letting my members know in this video what is new. Okay, this is probably the last week of fall content. I kind of wanted to bundle it all together and get it out for you guys if you're still in the fall series of life. I know that a lot of people have already moved on to Christmas for 2020, but I am not about skipping over some really fun, amazing times of the year. So I'm huge on fall decor, even though I have a Christmas tree right there. Believe it or not, the rest of my house is actually fall, and I really love fall decor. So I really love to stretch the time that I have those out. Anyways, so what do I have for you guys today? We have some SVG animals, fall woodland animals, and then we also have print and cut animals. So a bunch of new animals, super cute animals. We have a lot of other animals already on the membership, but I really wanted to make sure that we had all the little cute orangey animals out there so that you guys can do some more fall crafts with them. Of course, these are not limited to just fall. You can use them throughout the year for nursery decor. Lots of really cute stuff. And then we have the thankful bundle. So a bunch more thankful, blessed, happy Thanksgiving bundles so that you guys can make some stuff for Thanksgiving if you're still making things for that. But lots of really cute Thanksgiving stuff that will stay in there all year round. So even next year, you can come back to these files and use them again. And then we have leaves. I love leaves. You can use them in so many things. You can use them in different designs, but leaves are super cute. I love to use them on a lot of my decor for iron-on. They make, sprucing up anything super easy. So we have a leaf bundle as well. Okay guys, we have 2 more weeks of regular bundles coming out, and then 12 DIYs of giveaways starts, and we will give away SVGs to our members for 12 solid days. There will be new things and I'll be live. So there won't be a Monday update during that 12 days, but you'll know what's going on because I'll be on the internet every single day. I'm also going live randomly all the time up until then. So if you catch me, join me. I will be hanging out, chatting, testing some fun things, sneak peeking some of our sponsors. We have some amazing sponsors for the 12 DIYs of giveaways. We're giving away over, I think, $4,000 of prizes right now. So you do not want to miss it at all, okay? So join me there. Hamsable still taking over my channel every Tuesday, so you can check out his last video tomorrow. That will be up and it'll be a doozy, so don't forget to watch it and give him some love in the comments. And last but not least, the bubble journal is now officially available to everybody, not just members. So we are opening it up to the public for pre-order. You can still get 25% off as a non-member, so check that out now. It is available to everybody on AuntieTay.com. So if you missed out on the 50% off as a member, we tried to tell everybody as much as we could, but that's just the perks of being a member. We are going to be doing this with a lot of products throughout 2021. We will be pre-ordering or pre-launching those products a few weeks before they even hit the general public. So that is a really awesome thing for my members that I love offering them. I'm always trying to make sure that you guys have first choice of everything and the best sale and all the stuff. So if you have not joined my crafting membership, you're still here watching this video, check it out. We would love to have you. If not, thank you guys for being my members. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys feel that in all the designs that we come out with and all the fun things that we come out with. So thank you. I'm gonna be saying it every single week. Don't get over it. Get used to it. All right. Love you guys. Bye.